Alright, this is my bike check for the 2011 Verde Eon. I've done several things to it. One of the first things I did was replace the pedals. We had some piece of crap pedals that were the size of my palm, and as you can see, my hands are pretty small. And so these are way better. These are black labels. I guess they work fine for me. Another thing I replaced was from the just the combo where you couldn't move it at all, and it hurt my butt really bad. And so I have the, what's this thing called? Stolen Thermalite pivotal seat, and I ground the post down so it was pretty short. Some big buys that I've bought for it are these Shadow Voltus bars, Shadow Conspiracy, and I guess a chain. That's a big buy, I reckon. My next thing is going to be a free coaster rim, because I just hate pedaling backwards. Then I have these ODI long neck grips. I love them. I think they're the best in the world out of all of them I've felt before. They're amazing, despite what Paris Ruber says. The tires on this bike suck bad. This one, well, I've had it since I've had the bike, but it's bald, as you can see. Hold on. From basically doing nothing. Front tire is fine. They're not too grippy. They're alright. I took the brakes off. And what else? Pretty sure that's it. It's a pretty light bike. Was 24, I'm about 25 when I bought it, and it's about 23 and a half right now, so it's pretty light. But a lot of people think that the frame. That's my bike check.